in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us know. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a media road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my eye, got a
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. Now y'all, the first thing that popped into my head when I first seen this unit was that quote that Kenya said from Real Housewives of Atlanta when she was like,
just like that tired Mama Joyce wig you're wearing, it's real old and tired.
yeah, like I don't know why that instantly popped into my mind. I mean, obviously this isn't a straight bob with a bang, but it is a bob with a bang. And it might be also because of the like coloring of the unit. I don't know why, but yeah, that's the first thing that popped into my mind when I looked at this unit. This is how Miss Girl is looking straight out of the box. She goes by the name of Brown Highlight Water Wave Natural Scalp Glueless Minimalist Lace Short Curly Wig with Bangs. Now granted, she doesn't look bad, but it's just like, I don't know, whenever I see curls like this, I immediately think like, no, I need to redefine these curls because I don't know, I just like the big chunky, fluffy type of curls, you know? I just feel like once I wash her and then, like I said, redefine the curls, then I feel like she might give me what I need. Now before we go in and wash her, let's go ahead and talk about the cap construction for this unit. She comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. She also has adjustable straps here in the back, and she also comes with a security band that's already attached, but you can adjust it if you want to. This is a breathable unit, so therefore it's going to have the tracks attached to like those stretchy lace pieces, and that's going to allow for some good airflow. When it comes to the lace on this unit, you're getting like what, a 1x3? Yeah, and that's pretty much just to make the unit look like there's some lace, or not lace, excuse me, some scalp on the unit rather than it just being, you know, the old school wigs where it had like the little circle weave piece, you know. When it comes to this unit, they offer it in 2 different colors, the brown highlighted version, and then they also have just like a natural black version, but they also offer it in 2 different lengths of 10 and 12. And if I'm thinking correctly, I received the 12-inch. When it comes to these types of wigs, they're supposed to be, you know, the really super easy, beginner friendly, throw on and go type of units. And I feel like that's exactly what this type of unit is going to be because I've had other units like this before in the past. The thing that's going to take me personally the longest when it comes to this unit is defining the curls. And again, that's just because I'm not the biggest fan of curls like this, but let me stop yapping. Let's go ahead and go wash this unit. LuvMe Hair came up with the hair care line specifically designed for our wigs. The 2 products I chose to use today were their Wig Renewal Shampoo and their Wig Renewal Conditioner. It has a scent of coconut, which smells really nice, and they're made with no sulfates. This was all of the shading that I got from this wig. I just wanted to show you guys. But you can grab these products plus the other products off of their website. And don't forget to use my code TANDOTSON to save 28% off their entire website. I'm about 85% dry, I want to say, but like you can't tell me this doesn't already look better as far as like the curls are concerned. Like they look so much better when they're like bigger and more clumped together. I don't know, it might just be me. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair, but before I give my pros and cons about this unit, you guys let me know how you're feeling her down in the comment section below. Are you feeling her? Are you not feeling her? What would you change or do differently about her? If you do plan on picking up this unit, don't forget to use my code TANDOTSON. That'll save you 28% off of their entire website. Okay, so we're gonna talk about my cons first, as always. And truth be told, I have no cons. I know. At the beginning of this video, I was a little bit nervous, a little bit skeptical of this unit. But at the same time, I was like, I kind of feel like I know how she's gonna turn out because like I said earlier, I do have other units that are very similar to this unit. So it's just like, I felt like I was gonna be able to finesse her, and I feel like I did a good job. Now, I will say that this unit is advertised as like a 1 second type of install. And I mean, she could be that, but again, I don't like the curls that it came with. I feel like once you go in and define them yourself, you don't even have to do the whole washing of the unit like I did. I mean, I prefer to wash my units, but you know, sometimes you're trying to be on the go, you know. So just at least doing the whole foaming, water and foaming method, I feel like that should be just fine. So therefore it really wouldn't be a 1 second install type of situation. But I mean, like, girl, you got time. So let's go ahead and move into my pros. And the first one is going to be, obviously, I love the fact that this unit is a very beginner friendly unit. Any and everybody can rock this unit. I'm loving the highlights in this unit. I have recently realized that I like a highlighted unit, but I prefer the highlighted unit to be like a brownish, bronzy, caramely type of color and not necessarily like a blonde color. I don't know. Or it could also just be with like long straight units that I'm just not the biggest fan of when the highlights are like bright. I don't know. I just know that I feel like, or at least I feel like this color highlight complements, Lord, why can't I talk? I feel like this color, this caramel color, really complements my skin tone. Another thing I'm liking about this unit is that she is big head friendly. I would say anybody who has like a 22.5 to like a 23.5 circumference head, you should be good with this unit. Now, if you have like a ton of hair or like locks or something like that, I don't necessarily know if you're going to be able to get your hair up underneath this unit. I mean, I guess it all depends on the length of your locks or the length of your hair and also the thickness of it, but like, I feel like she's big head friendly. She fitting on my head, and y'all know how I like to say I'm part of big head gang. She's fitting on my head pretty comfortably. The shaping of the unit was done very nice in my opinion. I thought I was gonna have to go in with my shears and like shape her up around and whatnot, but no, like the only place I did chop a little bit off was like right here in the bang area. And I mean, I don't know, I want to say that was like maybe like 2 or 3 strands. Trust me, it wasn't a whole lot. This is very random, but I think this unit would look so cute with glasses on. The only reason why I'm not wearing my glasses is because, well, number 1, I have my contacts in right now, and number 2, because I do have on makeup. And I don't know, I don't like that feeling of like your glasses touching your face when you have on makeup. Like, I don't know, I don't like that feeling, but I do think that this unit would look really cute with glasses. But yeah, I'm not going to sit here and ramble on too much. Just know that she's a winner chicken dinner in my eyes. I feel like the 1B color of this unit would look like really good as an everyday type of unit. And then this one you would wear when you want to like pop out. But at the same time, I don't know. I feel like you could also wear this one as like an everyday one as well. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave. And also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.